What's going on, everybody? This is David down at Crosstown Auto Center in Edmonton, Alberta, and from the used car superstore we have this 2014 Ram 1500 Sport in a beautiful black color, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine under the hood. This is a two-door configuration truck with the 6-foot box on the back. Come to the front here, you have your projector style headlamps, lay out the road in front of you with your high beam and your LED running lights, which are also your turn signals. You have a color matching grille with chrome inserts, fog lamps on your front bumper. Front and rear bumpers are color matching, and this Ram is running on 20-inch Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction on alloy rims, and you have mud flaps behind all 4 tires. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors do have built-in LED turn signal lights, and they're heated mirrors as well, so you can heat those up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. Tinted windows are a nice touch on this truck. And here's where we put gasoline inside this truck. And come over to the back side here, you'll see that you have LED tail lamps on the back. They are blacked out tail lamps. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. Your third brake lamp is also blacked out as well, which is a nice touch. Chrome Ram badge and 4x4 badge. Your spot for your trailer hitch down below with connections so you can plug in a trailer or any auxiliary devices. Your backup camera is built into your tailgate handle. Open up the tailgate here, you got hooks in all 4 corners so you can tie down your load so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highways. And you have spray-in bed liner as well. Very nice. Come over to this side. This truck is looking baller. I'll show you the passenger side here. The mirrors are color matching as well. You may have noticed that. Open up the door here. You have a spot for an umbrella or anything that can fit in there. Storage down below with 2 cup holders. Storage in the middle. Power locks, power window switch. Beautiful styling. You just gotta love how big the doors are. Passenger seat is manual adjustment, and under the passenger seat you do have your tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. Pull the handle here. That moves the seat forward a little bit, giving you access into the rear storage area for many different things. And you have hooks so you can hang up bags, put in a child seat, anything you can think of. You can hang it up back there and put back there for storage. Pocket on the side of the middle console. Lower glove box with your manual in there and lots of space for many different things. You have an upper glove box too with the convenience light and lots of space. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. Directional air vent. A nice Ram mat there too. Beautiful interior. Very comfortable to sit in. And see this tag? That means you have airbags built into the seats for safety. And you also have pillar side airbags built in for safety, and of course driver and passenger front airbags too. Let's run over to the driver's side now. You do have the proximity key fob. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle and it will sense the fob is near and it will unlock the doors for you. You can press the black button on your door handle to lock up the Ram as well. Large storage spot right there. Storage down below with 2 cup holders. Storage in the middle. You have your power mirrors, power windows, power locks. Both windows are automatic, and you have power fold-in mirrors. Just by the touch of a button, your mirrors electronically fold in for you. In case you need to park in a tight parking spot, press it again and they fold back out like so. You have your automatic headlamps so you can set it and forget it with your dimmer switch, your box light button, and your fog light button. Tilt steering wheel. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support, and by the push of a switch, you can tilt the driver's seat forward like this so you have access into the rear storage area so you can put your things, hang up some nice bags or anything like that. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing so it doesn't get all wrinkled. And you have your LED interior lamp. Push that with your hand. It'll act as a reading lamp. Push it again and it will shut off. You have your rear sliding window here. You do have to do it by hand. Very easy to do so. Let me go down to the middle here and grab your proximity key fob. I want to show you that. So you have an unlock button, a lock button, panic button, and remote start. Hit the lock button once and the button with the 2 and the X twice and the arrow, and that will remote start your Ram. You do need to have your proximity key fob on you if you want to start up your Ram 1500 by pressing the push button start button. Now I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport, and on the right side of our steering wheel we have our cruise control with our gear selection buttons. The steering wheel is leather wrapped and it feels really great on your hands. Nice chrome Ram badge in the middle with your horn, of course. You have voice recognition. With voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice, and it will assist you in making hands-free calls. Your Bluetooth button is a quick access Bluetooth button, which allows you to access your phone settings and also allows you to connect the phone if you don't have a phone connected. And using buttons on the left side of our steering wheel, we can go through our information center. But first you'll see we have 21,398 kilometers on this truck. That's pretty low, so come to Crosstown today and book a test drive. And first you'll see you have your digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour. If you're going to the States, we have our vehicle info, tells you tire pressures, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to your tire pressures. You have your fuel economy area, let you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Feel free to reset that whenever you want. 2 trick computers that tells you how far you've driven, average liters per 100 kilometers, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. Feel free to reset both trick computers whenever you want. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media center. Message center in case your Ram 1500 needs to tell you something. Screen set up here so you can customize the screen and make it more of your own. You got a compass in the top left corner, thermometer in the top right corner, and on the bottom right tells you fuel range. Go in the settings and you customize the screen and have it say what you want to say. Overall, the gauges are very easy to look at. The tachometer, the speedometer, a nice Ram badge up above. I think it all looks very good. And behind the steering wheel, you do have steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Here's your push button start button, rotary style gear shifter. If you throw the Ram into reverse, your backup camera appears on your touchscreen Uconnect system, and if you turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be reversing. Put that back in park. Push button 4-wheel drive with 4x4 auto there. Storage compartment down below. The dark chrome styling continues here. You have a cell phone holder, 12-volt power outlet there, 2 big cup holders, nice Ram badge in the middle. Grab this chrome handle, you have a change holder, USB port, auxiliary port, and an SD card port, and another USB port there. And you have cutouts on both sides, so if you're running cords through here, if you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. And grab a little lower, you have a large storage compartment here for many different things, and you have a ledge there so you can hold some pens or anything small there. You can fit many different things in there. It's quite large, and you have a little spot for some things there as well. Move back up. Here's your 115 volt AC power outlet, spot for some pens and packs of gum. You have driver, heated seat, traction control, tow/haul mode, your heated steering wheel button, and the passenger seat is also heated as well. Piano black styling on the front here, which looks sharp, and you have it up top here too with a nice Ram badge. Dark chrome styling, directional air vents, which you can open and close, are of course there for you, which is fantastic. Nice stitching on the dashboard. You do have the Alpine sound system inside this Ram, giving you exceptional sound quality. Fold down sun visor with a convenience mirror and lights so you can see what you look like. Auto dimming rear view mirror, programmable garage door opener, push button reading lamps up above, which are LED. Passenger sun visor also has a mirror and convenience lights, so your passenger can look at themselves whenever they want as well. And down below here, you do have your physical controls for your climate control. You can adjust your fan speed with this knob right there. Adjust your temperatures with the blue and red buttons. Turn on front defrost, your heated mirrors, air conditioning, your recirculate button, tuning knob, browse button, back button to help you guide through your system, hazards, turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it, touch it with your finger again, it comes back on, tuning knob, mute button, and here is our touchscreen Uconnect system, and you have AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. You have your presets up above, and you have access to a mini map connected to your GPS navigation system. You can store lots of presets. Info bar up top tells you the time, outside thermometer, compass, whether the music's muted, temperature on your climate control, and whether your heated seats and heated steering wheel is turned on. You can direct tune to a specific radio station, adjust your audio. You got balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, tells you the song and the artist that's playing. Media center, so if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, a Bluetooth device connected, or an SD card put in, go here and you can listen to all your favorite tunes. GPS navigation mini map there too. Touchscreen controls for your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, and your mirror dimmer, and you have settings there as well. Touchscreen controls for your climate control, just where you want the air to go with just your finger. You can adjust your fan speed, change your temperature, turn on your air conditioning, your recirculate mode, front defrost, max AC, and you can also adjust the fan speed by touching the screen too. Very easy to use. GPS navigation area, view the map. It gives you a great view of a map, and you can zoom in and out on the map too, which is very easy to use. Put in an address and I'll show you how to get to where you want to go. If not, it's always going to show you exactly where you are. You can search up points of interest that you may want to go to inside your Ram 1500, including your closest cities. And here's your Bluetooth area. When I take the phone, that's okay, I'll let you connect the phone. make hands-free calls. Everything you do on your phone to make a call, you can do on your touchscreen Uconnect system here. And you can also access your phone book right on the screen as well. You can pair more than one device, and you can delete and add devices whenever you want. The Ram 1500 does have to be stationary in order to pair a device. And here is your settings for your touchscreen Uconnect system, and you have settings for your Ram 1500, so you can customize everything right there. And let's put that back on the radio. The interior on this Ram 1500 Sport is luxurious, unique styling all around, very comfortable to sit in. The handles on both driver and passenger sides are there for your convenience. And to the right is Crosstown Auto Center's Service Express Center. Great people, great service, and an overall great time. Come to Crosstown and book an oil change today. And also, come down to Crosstown Auto Center's Used Car Superstore and take a test drive in this 2014 Ram 1500 Sport in a beautiful black color, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine under the hood, which has 4-wheel drive, leather seats, heated seats, and so much more. You're going to love this truck. I'm Man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.